Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. This is for the earth signs, which are Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn. And I was just checking if I said the right thing. Yes, it is for Capricorn, Taurus and Virgo. So these are the earth signs, and I am going to give you your messages for the month of September. So these are the earth signs, and let's see what are the messages for you. What is the theme of the month for the month? And what kind of messages do I get? Sorry, I'm just putting the cards away. So let's see what are your messages. I've already done air signs and uploaded them. This is for the earth signs. This card almost was wanting to come out, so I'm going to use this one. So this is all about number 4. Number 4 is stability. There is foundation, happiness in the family, wanting happiness, wanting commitment, wanting a lot of good things in life. I'm going to put the card right here like this. It is also about wanting stability in whatever relationships you have, and I think it's a very stable relationship. That's the first thing that I get with you guys. There's a lot of stability in life. Sorry, I am is there a lot of light? Because I'm trying to adjust the light. I'm doing the reading somewhere else. And so I think it is all about September is going to be a happy family theme. It's going to be reunion with the family. It is family, sorry, it is friends that almost feel like family and are your family. You're going to meet them very soon, but this is a very happy card to begin with. So earth sign, there's a lot of there are a lot of celebrations and a happy feeling and a happy family. Maybe that's what I wanted to say when the words come out. When I don't think about it and the words come out like that, so I do include them in a reading because they do mean something. So let's see what are the other messages for you guys. Remember, this is a general reading, might not or might or might not resonate. So it might be that a few messages are meant for you, few messages do sit in the situation. So let's see what's the other message. Somebody in is going to commit to you. Somebody has a lot of love for you, especially if the person name starts with I get R, I get M, I get S, and I get a K. I also get N quite a lot. I get N quite a lot. So somebody really holds love for you, like the person is holding his heart in the hand. I feel somebody holds a lot of love for you, probably hasn't expressed till now, but will be telling you soon. So this could also be you might be getting married to this person, engaged to this person, and it is all about having a family with this person and going to welcome a new person into your family. That's also what I get, but I don't know because it's written also man holding a heart. I didn't read that. So this is somebody holding a lot of love for you, somebody having a lot of love for you, somebody having a lot of love and care for you, and the person is so ready for commitment is what I get. I'm going to keep it like this if this is not a flash and you can see the messages. So let's see what are the other messages. And this card almost fell also. So this is a beautiful reading for earth signs. This is a sign of victory. You're going to be victorious. You're going to gain victory, be victorious in whatever you are going to do, or whatever you if it's a relationship, it's a job, it's a business, anything that you set your eyes on, I feel you will have victory, especially if you're a one number, or I feel 10 number, because it says 10, it adds to a 10, 28 also. I also get if you are of a 4 number, I also get the word crazy. When I was talking, I got the word crazy. I don't know what crazy means. It's like crazy plans, or almost crazy in love, something to do with crazy, showing craziness in creativity, which is a good thing. So I also get the word crazy. So this is a beautiful reading for you guys. It's a very balanced month. Emotions balanced with a lot of intellect, what you're feeling. So it's a mind and heart decision. It's a very balanced life. It's living a very a very everything in balance. It's a yin and a yang situation, like where it's written yin and a yang. It's also two people in balance. It's a relationship that's very balanced. It's a job that's going to be balanced, in the sense the designation and the money both will be balancing each other, complementing each other. So I get a lot of calmness also. I get you guys are dealing with an air sign or a water sign is also what I get. I don't get a fire energy in this at all. So earth signs, you're dealing with like I said, air and a lot of water, and there's a lot of balance between you two. There's a lot of balance between elements, and this is how I feel. So it's a beautiful reading for you guys till now. There's victory, there's a happy family, there's a man holding his heart. and a lot of feelings for you, wanting to express himself. Your world is totally balanced. There's a happy family. There is a balance of emotions. Everything is in balance. So there is nothing in excess, you know. So that's beautiful. It's also, I want to say, somebody who's been keeping his or her feelings. I'm going to say his or her feelings. I'm not going to say just his feelings. Somebody who's been keeping his or her feelings inside, I feel the person is going to express themselves to you. That's what I get. You will know how they feel for you. So this is things coming out in the open, you know, and telling you about how do they feel about you. I also feel yellow and green are good colors for you. That's what I feel. I'm going to use another deck. I'm going to use what the crystals are going to say. This is the new deck. I also read the spirit animal guide from this card. Like you can see, one side is the animal and the other side is your crystal, which is your lucky crystal. Let's see what is the crystal that you get and what is your crystal reading. Let's see for earth signs, what is the important message that you need to know. So this is a golden topaz, and let me see if it is similar to what the reading was for the energy oracle. Is it similar? Is it a little bit different? So the golden topaz says, "Are you peaceful and prosperous?" So naturally, there's a lot of balance. There's prosperity. There is victory that we got. So this is kind of continuing with that theme, with the same sense of September. So this is prosperity coming to you, and I also get a lot of peacefulness from being balanced. There's a lot of calmness, you know, in everything that you're going to do in September. So guys, really, this is a wonderful read till now. I love it. It also says, are you having success with your business? So it's also probably a successful business. Something is going to reap, you know, whatever you did sow is going to give you a good reap. You're going to get profits. Going to get a lot of returns. I get rewards. It also says harmony abound. So harmony only we can achieve when two people are working in synergy, when there's a balance. So guys, September is a lot of balance for you guys, and it's a beautiful read, and I'm just loving the words, and I also love the reading because it is, you know, every card that I'm taking out, or every word that I'm getting, or a picture that I'm getting in my mind, it's all about balance and harmony and success. So earth sign September is going to be beautiful for you. And it says now is the time to relax into your good fortune. So you're going to be having a relaxed time because good fortune is on its way. You're going to enjoy your profits, or you're going to enjoy what hard work you did, and whatever benefits you're going to get from that, you're going to use it, and you're going to have a good life is what I get. It also says pay attention. So pay attention to small things, to small details is what I get. So there are good opportunities are available to you. So in September, new things will be coming your way, new doors will be opening, you will be getting opportunities, and you will actually get something from the opportunity. Something fruitful will come out from the opportunities. Probably you'll be sending a resume somewhere, and somebody's going to give you a job. So I get the word key, and I get the word unlocking. So it will be unlocking the door. It will be unlocking the right door also. It will take you to the right job, to the right path, to whatever you wanted to do in your life. It also says you are incredibly lucky. So in fact, probably that's why I said key and the door. So you're going to open new doors. You're going to be so lucky in September. That is a beautiful reading. So guys, maybe that's why the victory card came out, and you are going to get rewards. You're going to get things in abundance, and you will feel very lucky in September. So earth signs, this is a great reading for you till now, and a lot of messages are beautiful. I'm going to use the earth deck right now. Let's see what messages are there for you from the earth deck. This is earth deck only, so maybe let's see what the earth signs get from the earth deck. What are the messages? I'm going to take one out. Celebrations, I told you. So this has to be this way. It's going to be beautiful celebrations. It's going to be celebrations in September. It's going to be celebrations in October is what I get. Let's see what are the other cards saying. So you're going to dance a lot. You're going to sing a lot, and things will be purified. In the sense, everything's, like I said, is a balance. There'll be clarity in every situation that you have. There'll be focus, crystal clear. Things will be crystal clear. There's going to be clarity. New things are going to begin. It's like old things are going to be washed out of your life. I don't know why I get this, but it's almost impurity is being flushed out, or something detox happening. Probably you're going to go for detox in September is what I get. Can you see it? It's such a beautiful reading. These cards fell, so many cards fell, but I don't want to take all the cards. Let me see what are the cards saying. What are the cards saying? What are the other messages for you? Let's see. Strength. Have a lot of strength in September. You will have a lot of strength in September. It's also from August this is coming. You had to show a lot of strength. You had to show that you are strong, and that's why probably you are reaping the benefits of staying strong. I feel you didn't move from your path. Whatever the difficulties were in August, you did not move, and that's why these things, beautiful things, are happening for you, to you. And you showed a lot of strength in August. It's a very August card. I don't feel it's a September read card. This is what you're going to reap from it, because you stayed strong in your situation. Didn't move from the ground that you were holding. When people try to influence you and you tell you're not doing the right thing, but you knew, you did listen to your gut, and you did not move from there, and that's why you are victorious. Let's see what are the other cards. I want to take the top card. Let's see. August was also a time for vulnerability. It is over. I get in August. This is not September for you, because I feel you were vulnerable in August, and it is that you did use your strength, and now this is all celebration. I want the story to flow like that. So I feel August is done with. It was a situation where you did feel vulnerable. You gathered, mustered up all the strength, whatever you had to do to make the situation right, and that's what you did, and that's why there is celebration in September. So your hard work is going to pay off. I told you were grounded. I told you were grounded in some way. So your roots were there on the ground. You did not move. Exactly what I wanted to say, and I got the card. So earth sign, you were totally grounded. You stood your ground. You didn't get influenced, and that's why whatever is happening great in your life is because of that. It is all because of you. Let's see what are the other messages. Take out another card. I want you to communicate better in the coming month in September. I want you to be better with words, express yourself better. It is not in a relationship. I feel in a job, in a business, with colleagues, with people you're dealing with. When you go and make presentations, I want you to be much more clearer. Maybe that's why the purification card also came. It is to wash away what's not required, unnecessary information. That's the channel message I get. You do not need to put unnecessary you don't need to put unnecessary words or anything that doesn't belong in the presentation. So purify also means filtering. Okay, now I got. So whatever you say, whatever you do in your presentations, in your projects, please filter the message. Probably that's where you get the purity of message, the purity of expression, or whatever you want to do. So you don't need unnecessary things. The word that I get again and again is unnecessary. So there are a lot of unnecessary things that might creep up or crop up in creep into your life in September, but those are not really needed in your life. That's what I want to say. So let's see what the romance angels are saying. What is the love reading here? What are the romance angels saying to you? What are the channel messages for people in love, in a relationship, or married, of wanting to find new love? So what's it? Let's see. You need to trust the relationship. You need to put your trust in the relationship. You need to trust the person, or you don't lose trust in the person. I don't know why I want to say, but I want to say it this way, that do not lose trust in the person. The person is trustworthy. If you ever thought, should I trust the person or not, if that was your question while I picked up the cards, or probably it was on your mind for a few days, you've been wondering if the person is trustworthy or not, I want to say the person is totally trustworthy, and this is your card saying that. Let's see what are the other messages from the angels. So remember, it's not necessary if I'm taking 4 cards, all 4 cards are for you. So it could be one could be fitting in your situation in September. Maybe 2 cards might be fitting in your situation. There's a lot of playfulness in the relationship. I also feel because the person is like that. Sometimes the person is pretty, is like a player. I'm going to say a player, or is a smooth talker, or talks really well. You lose trust. That's the kind of story I'm picking up. So probably the person talks to a lot of people, and it's not just you, and that's why you were losing trust. But I want to say you need to keep the trust in this one. So let's see what are the other messages. a lot of you are codependent on your partner in your relationship. So it's like almost uh, depending on the other one to make the decision. There's dependency in some way. I don't get a very negative dependency. A lot of times codependency is actually, almost feeding off each other's energy, but I don't get that. But I think there is a lot of trust. There's a lot of trust on both the sides. There's a lot of love on both the sides, and you're kind of, I would say, dependent on each other in a positive way. Sometimes you find your strength in each other. That's what I want to say. I want to take out one more card. I feel like I need to give one more message here. Release your ex. So if you've been thinking about releasing your ex and this has come reversed, I want you to give your relationship another chance. Remember, guys, these are guidances. In the end, whatever you do it with your own free will. You always take your own decision. That's the best thing. We all readers and psychics and mediums and tarot readers, or whatever you follow, we can only guide you what is the best for you. But in the end, you have to see what is the best for you, and I want you to make your decision. Yourself. I'm just guiding you here. So if you've been feeling that, I think the trust is going. I don't know why, because maybe I got the word trust first, and that's why I'm saying do not think that you cannot trust the person just because the person is a little playful or whatever seems like that, or it seems like that the person is a little playful or a little flirty. I want you to give this another chance. I don't know why I see this, and I also feel you will also not release the person. You would not want to release the person. September is not the time for it. So let me see one or two more messages that I want to give to you guys. What can I give to you guys? What messages? Let's see, any other channel messages that I think belong here in the reading. I told you Lover's card. So there's a lot of loving energy. In the beginning also, it is somebody expressing yourself. So this is also about new love coming into your life. I want to say either it's going to be the 6th of September, 9th of September, or it's going to be in 6 months. So either one of these dates or totally after 6 months, that's when the new person is going to come into your life. This I feel should have come upright, but this is reversed. The Magician is saying you've got everything. So probably in September you will have everything, and you will be a magician and turn all the opportunities and make use of it, like make hay while the sun shines. So you're also going to do that. There are a lot of opportunities, a lot of new doors, and you will make a lot of things out of it. You will take the opportunities and turn them in your favor. You'll make them work in your side, in your favor. Last card. I think I need to give one more message to you guys. Let's see what is another message. This came for, I think, air signs also. This is almost looking back. For the other one, I interpreted in a different way, but I think one of you is missing a loved one. It's almost, you're not in touch with a friend. I get more of a friend feeling. I think you miss a best friend, or the person is not close to you. The person has gone away. There's a cutoff, or there's been you're not a friend with that person. That person was a best friend, so you kind of miss the person. That's what I get. The person name starts with, I get M quite a lot. I get C quite a lot. I also get J quite a lot, and I don't know why, but I also get a Y quite a lot. So I don't know if you met the person where it was like a Y there, but yes, that's what I feel. That, sorry for the call. There was just a call that was started in the background. So that was the reading, and thank you so much, guys, for listening to me. Do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and do comment. I always read the comments. So thank you so much for this reading. And Earth sign, it was a beautiful reading, and I just loved it. Thank you so much. Bye.